That doesn't scream. It sits in silence. It waits. It builds. And when no one's watching, it tears you apart, piece by piece, until you wonder, is this the end? But here's the truth. This pain isn't here to end you. It's here to awaken you. Pain doesn't always come with noise. It doesn't wear warning signs. It comes quietly. In heartbreaks. In failures. In mornings where you won't get out of bed. You look around. Everyone seems fine. Everyone seems to be moving forward. And you're stuck. You're buried. But what if I told you that stuck place is sacred? Because nothing grows on the surface. Growth begins underground, beneath pressure, beneath pain. Have you ever seen a seed break open? It looks like destruction. It looks like the end. But it's the only way roots are born. The only way it can grow. You are that seed. Your breakdown isn't your death. It's your awakening. Seneca said, sometimes, even to live is an act of courage. And here you are. Still breathing. Still fighting. Still searching for something better. That's not weakness. That's the beginning of power. You've been through storms. Some that almost swallowed you whole. But pain doesn't just test your strength. It reveals it. It's in the fight where you discover your fire. You don't find courage when life is kind. You find it when life is cruel. And you rise anyway. Every scar you carry is proof that you were stronger than what tried to destroy you. So don't hide them. Honor them. Because every healed wound is a chapter of your becoming. And the people who can't see your growth were never meant to understand your journey. You keep waiting for someone to save you, to rescue you from this valley. But the truth is, the person you're waiting for is already inside you. You don't need saving. You need awakening. No one is coming. But you. You can rise. Yes, it's hard. Yes, it's lonely. But growth is not found in comfort. It's found in the places you thought would kill you. You will crawl. You will cry. You will question everything. And then, you will rise. Stronger. Wiser. Unshakable. This pain, the one that's breaking your heart, draining your strength, shaking your soul, it's not your enemy. It's your sculptor. Let it carve you. Let it shape you. Let it reveal the warrior that was hidden beneath your fear. Because someday soon, you'll look back at this moment and realize it didn't break you. It built you.